Oh no, no. Yeah, yeah. Lifestyle. Two hearts burning like fire tonight. Jealous lovers. She dey watching my phone when I'm sleeping softly. Every little movement turn interrogation. Love no supposed feel like prison, baby. But your body still be my temptation. Anytime I step into the nightlife, you the reason say another girl there. But now only you there for my eyesight. Even when the whole world want me, your friends they whisper for your ears now. Say I know if we ever stay loyal, but they don't know what thing we don't fight through. All the midnight tears and survival.
Girl, I know say I gave my own flaws. Sometimes it go make the matter worse. But your silence cut me deeper, like a knife inside my chest. Why you go there, hide your feelings? Why you go there, lock your heart away? If not love, then let me feel it. Don't leave me drowning in the pain. Every time we try to fix us, another fight comes in between. But when you hold me in the darkness, you still feel like home to me. Jealous lovers, fighting under moonlight, breaking up and making up till sunrise. Too much passion in our bloodstream, too much fire make the love bleed.
Jealous lovers, holding on to sweet lies, crying in the kitchen by midnight. But if I lose you, I go weak die. Now only you fit give me peace of mind.
I don't feel like your attention sweep me, but your stubborn ways they stress my soul. You go disappear for 2 days suddenly, then come back acting untouchable. And I be woman with emotions, I need assurance once in a while. No be every time I go pretend. Say your distance, no they drive me wild.
You know the way your voice they calm me, even when my temper don't rise. And anytime your hands they touch me, I they forget every bad vibe. Maybe love no get perfection, maybe scars come with devotion, but I still choose you every evening, even after all the confusion.
Too many nights without sleeping, too many words we can take back. But when the music starts playing, we find our rhythm heart to heart.
Maybe we be imperfect people, trying hard not to fall apart. But the chemistry between us still they pull us from the dark. Jealous lovers, dancing to the heartbreak. Two rebels with too many mistakes, still we they circle back together, like the rain returning weather.
Jealous lovers, screaming then we hold tight, kissing through the tears in low lights. Even when the storm day outside, your love still feels like paradise.
No let insecurity ruin what we build. No let outside voices scatter something real.
I know the pressure heavy when the spotlight bright,
but now your love they keep me balanced every night. So tell me truly baby, can you stand there heat?
Can you love me loudly when the world no sleep?
Cause every queen needs somebody strong beside her, not another temporary midnight lover. Oh jealous heart, still searching for forever. Oh souls, trying to heal together. No more running from the truth now, no more hiding from the pain. If not you and me forever, then we go dance inside the rain. Oh.
Jealous lovers, souls connected deeply. Even broken hearts can love completely. Through the chaos and the madness, we still find ourselves in passion.
Jealous lovers, fire burning slowly. You be my one and only. And if tomorrow never reaches, tonight